Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Manual copper, patented new features only available from the CopperMine TM. Good for wires from 24 AWG to July 8th. Input guide, wire gets straightened and aligned automatically. Good for kinked or tangled wires. Easy start cutter, get the copper out quick and easy after the insulation is slit. Blade sharpening jig, restore dull blade in seconds, jig sets the precise angles for easy sharpening. CopperMine manual crank and drill operated copper wire stripping machine for scrap copper recycling non-slip wire guide. This thing saves you time and makes it so much easier. I come across a lot of 12 gauge 10 gauge THHN and this thing up. Now I can really make the money I was looking for. It's a solid machine and pretty sturdy. PENSON & CO, automatic motorized electric wire stripping machine for scrap copper wire cable stripping blades, single phase 1/4 HP motor runs off of any wall outlet. Strips 14 gauge to 1 1/4 size wires. Dimensions, 8W×12 DX13H. Stripping speed, approximate, 60 feet per minute. Adjustable for precise and accurate cutting. Easy to use. Reliable. Quality guaranteed. Steel Dragon Tools WRA20 automatic wire stripping machine strip scrap copper wire. Automatic bench top wire stripper. Features emergency stop button. Suitable for various kinds of round cable and sheath flat cable. 4 cutting channels. Wire capacity, 10 AWG up to 1/0 AWG. StripMeister WSM001, this unique cable stripper is an industrial-grade automatic wire stripper for all your scrap wire. Strips all sizes from 18 gauge wire to 250 MCM, including Romex and braided, stranded, wire. Superior value to any other copper wire stripper and will last a lifetime. This drill-powered wire stripping machine is manufactured in North America using top-grade materials. The Romex slot will save an additional 33% of your